Hello ladies and gentlemen, Medikit 65 here, and welcome back to our tutorial world. Last time, we learned how to name animals. As you can see, our Johnny is over there. Where's the other Johnny? There he is, over there. Having a peaceful time killing all these slimes. So there's slime balls all over the place, and it lags my world out. Thank you. Today we are going to be on the same subject. You will still need a name tag and an anvil, and any mob will work with this. So you got a cow here, vindicator here, llama, wolf. Hold up, we could add. Hold up, maybe the llama and the wolf were a bad idea. Hold up. Put that in there, and even get a villager in here for comedy's sake. Why are you in here? Did I spawn 2 vindicators? You weren't supposed to be here. Only 1 vindicator. How many hearts do you have? There you go. Let's add a villager. Actually, no, that was a bad idea too. Alright, boys, chill out now. Nice work. So, getting on with the program, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your name tag and you're gonna rename it Dinnerbone. It doesn't matter if it's capitalized or not. Take that. This is a reference to one of the Minecraft developers whose skin was upside down. So we're gonna name the cow. Oh my, look at that. Now the cow is upside down. Oh, look at that. The Vindicator's upside down. So is the dog. Oh, spare the mention, shame. Oh, I'm so sorry. Villager, dinner boned. Llama, dinner boned. That actually looks really silly. So yeah. Like I said, you can do this with just about any mob. See, even the slime is upside down now. So yeah. Oh, it's like a whole war zone in here with all these guys running around, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. It was rather short, but it was an interesting little feature that can be done in anything. Creative, survival, bedrock, Java, anything works. So until next time, Medikit over and out. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Funcraft. I am currently watching the television. We got 3 channels on here. You get some football. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Medikit 65 here, and welcome back to our tutorial.